Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make this Fruity Pebbles French toast. This is absolutely incredible. Have it for breakfast, have it for dessert, whatever way, it's amazing. So keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make this. Now the first thing we're going to do is start off with our Fruity Pebbles cereal. Now you want to start off and you want to put in 1 cup of this Fruity Pebbles cereal into a plastic bag. Now you can use more than 1 cup if you're making a bunch of different French toast, but I'm only going to be making 2, so 1 cup should be enough. Now just let most of the air out of the bag and zip up your plastic bag. What we're going to do is crush these down to a smaller size. Now you don't have to crush them all, but just crush some of them. I like to use a big rolling pin and just smash away. There you go. Like I said, they'll have some of them that'll still be big and some small. No big deal. Now just take a plate, a flat plate, and pour out your crushed Fruity Pebbles on that plate. Spread it nice and even. We'll get it all ready. Now just put this aside. We're going to come back to it after we do the next part. So next, in a small to medium sized bowl, what we're going to do is add in 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. You can also use half and half or milk if you'd like. To that, I'm going to add 2 large eggs. A 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and about 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. This is just ground cinnamon. Now we just need to whisk this up really good. Now that that is all whisked up, we got to move on to our next step. Now just heat up your griddle to about medium heat, and we just want to put some butter on there. Now just to show you what we got, we have our mixture here, which I'm going to take 1 piece of brioche bread and I want to let it sit in there and soak in that moisture for about 20 seconds or so. Let it really soak it in on one side before we flip it over. And then flip it over. Do the same thing, let it soak in really good. And after it's soaked in, we're just coming back to our Fruity Pebbles that we crushed up. Take it and just press it in. And then flip it and press it in on that side as well. Then right on to your griddle. Do the same thing with the other pieces of bread. So after about 2 minutes on one side, we can flip this. After about 3 or 4 minutes on each side, they should be done. Now to decorate our Fruity Pebbles French toast, you can eat it just as it is, or you can decorate it a number of different ways. One of the things I'm going to do is take some powdered sugar and just sift it through here. Just a little. Then while it's still warm, I'm going to put some vanilla ice cream on top. I think right there would be good. Then you want to top it off with some more Fruity Pebbles. Now be sure to only get some fresh Fruity Pebbles for this. You don't want to use the Fruity Pebbles we had in the dish because that had some raw eggs in there. So this way it'll be safe to eat. Just grab some more Fruity Pebbles and just sprinkle this around your ice cream. There you go, that's our Fruity Pebbles French toast. Well, now it's time for the taste test. I'm gonna dig in to our Fruity Pebbles French toast. I'm gonna get a little bit of that ice cream, some of those Fruity Pebbles everywhere, and see how it tastes. Perfect. The crunch of those Fruity Pebbles with French toast, I didn't think I would like it, but it's really good. And that ice cream on top, on a warm French toast, this is amazing. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these Fruity Pebbles French toast. It was absolutely incredible making these. They taste amazing. So I hope you get a chance to make it for yourself. And if you do, please share with me on any of my social media at FunFoodsYT. Also check out some of the videos I have off to the side. And until then, I'll see you next time. Let's start over. Now to decorate your French toast. Now to there we go. That's our Fruity Pebbles. What's it called? Any of my any of my what?